Hi everybody, in this video I will give you some tips and suggestions that you can follow to finalize which IT career is suitable for you. There are a lot of people who might be a fresher, like they have completed their college, now they want to start their IT career journey. There are also people who are already working into a different domain. That can be a BPO, KPO, night shift job, US IT recruitment or any other job. Now they want to start their IT career. They want to get into IT, information technology or software industry. But lot of people have this question, which IT career is suitable for me? Or which IT career, if I choose, I will get job easily. For all those people, follow these 3 tips or 3 suggestions. The first tip that I would suggest you is understand what is your interest. What is your interest and what is your capabilities. If you are interested in coding, then there are many coding careers like full stack development, or there is many development, Java development, Python development, these kind of development jobs. But first thing you have to finalize if you are interested in coding or not. Yes, no. This is your first tip. You have to understand, analyze your own interest. Second tip is you also have to check if that skill or if that interest has in demand in the market. Let us take an example. You love working on cryptocurrency or like blockchain. You're crazy or passionate about blockchain and understanding how crypto works and things like that. In the second tip or second suggestion, you have to find out if there is a demand for this kind of career or this kind of interest in the market or not. In the next 5 and 10 years also, if the market will still have that career or that interest demand or not, you have to first understand the market demand. This is the second tip or second suggestion from my side. The third thing you have to understand is, can you work or can anybody in your contacts can give you any references for that career? For example, if you select MERN stack or if you take full stack development, then in your seniors or juniors, your classmates, your neighbors, your cousins, anybody who is already working in that career, so that they can refer you in their company. It will become very easy for you to get into that company or start your career with someone's reference or with someone's referral. So these 3 things you have to find out, you have to understand, you have to analyze. That will definitely help you to finalize which career is suitable for you and which career you can start and you can plan accordingly. So this is a small suggestion or tips from my side. If you like these tips, if you like my suggestions, then please click the like button and share this video with your friends and family members also. Share this video with your friends who are still confused which career to select or how to choose the career and things like that. So share this video on your WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, social media, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere else. If you like this video, click the like button. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Sushmita Madhu and I'm a digital marketing trainer. I also have a IT training institute in Hyderabad. My training institute name is Career 9. If you're looking for any IT trainings, do visit my website to understand what are the IT trainings we are providing in Hyderabad. So that's all about this video. If you want to get updated with more job and career related content or job and career related videos, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu, and for daily updates don't forget to click that small bell icon. Thank you so much and namaste.